So have you re-gifted a gift that was given to you?
Yes.
Have you ever fooled around with a family member?
Oh, like you mean sexually?
No.
Then?
Like ullu banana types.
Yes, of course.
So have you ever punched someone?
No, I haven't. I haven't even slapped anyone. I have only done it in scenes.
Have you ever pranked someone who was sleeping?
Yeah, all the time.
On
My
set?
favorite prank is that if someone is sleeping, I put like in pen, say I'll draw something on their face, or I will put toothpaste or something.
On set?
On set नहीं, on set I don't think I've done it, but otherwise I've done it.
No.
या मुंह किसी का मुंह खुल के सो रहा है कोई तो मैं पानी डाल दूंगी.
Have you ever eaten an entire pizza by yourself?
Probably yesterday, if not today. No, but yeah, I can have pizza. Thin crust, that mota wala
Yeah.
I don't like. But the thin crust I can have, yeah.
Have you ever failed a class?
I know, I've never failed a class, but I almost, once I almost, when calculus was introduced in maths and the first test we had after that, I almost failed, but and my teacher told me that I passed because of Grace marks. Because she was like, you know, you're such a good student, I can't fail you, but what the hell is wrong with you? But I almost failed it.
Have you ever ruined someone else's vacation?
नहीं है. I mean, जानबूझ के तो I never have. अब हो गया होगा तो I don't know, but I never.
Have you ever had to run to save your life?
No, and thank God. But no.
Okay, have you ever walked out of a movie because it was bad?
While watching? Yeah. Lots of times.
Have you ever faked illness to stay home?
Lots of times. I used to, so when my theatre, I was working with this group which is based in South Bombay. So and for me traveling to South, I love rehearsing, but just the process of traveling was too much. So मैं बहुत बार ऐसे कभी stomach ache हो रहा है, कभी chums हो रहे हैं, कभी headache हो रहा है, lots of excuses.
Have you ever cried in public?
Yeah, while watching a movie, otherwise while fighting with someone.
Fight?
Yeah. I start crying when I'm very angry.
Have you ever tried to cut your own hair?
Yeah. I have. When I was in school, I wanted those bangs and I cut it. And you won't believe it was 2 days before my birthday or maybe a day before my birthday. और वो ज़्यादा कट गए थे, so they became like this. Like I looked like a boy. And anyway, I had short hair. And यहाँ से यहाँ, and I started crying. My friends were calling me at 12 o'clock to wish me, and I was crying. And they were like, "What happened? It's your birthday. Why are you crying?" So I had to tell them. और मैं अगले दिन school वैसे ही गई थी, and my friends were so sweet. They told each other कि don't talk about her hair, don't talk about her hair, just wish her.
Have you ever forgotten your lines in your show, like in your script?
Yeah, but thankfully retake हो जाता है. So.
Have you ever traveled without a ticket?
Yeah. So again in local trains only when I first moved to Bombay. So शुरू में तो I used to be very scared of traveling in local trains. So I used to always be very proper and ticket. But once I got used to it, then I said this is also fun, you know.
Yeah.
It's like travel without a ticket.
Have you ever been trapped in an elevator?
No, I'm claustrophobic. It's my biggest fear that I'll get trapped in an elevator and I wouldn't know what to do.
Have you ever lied to your parents about where you were going?
Yeah. All my growing up years when I was living with them, I used to... Actually, no. Beyond, like I think when I was 15, post the age of 15, I didn't need to lie because my parents are quite cool and I could tell them where I'm going. उनके पास एक दो issues होते थे कि बेटा don't come home very late if you are coming, because I was in Delhi, so you know how unsafe it is. So they would just say कि stay back at your friend's place or whatever. But I used to enjoy lying to them.
Have you ever broken the traffic signal?
Yeah, and I have fought my way through getting out of I got caught also. I jumped a signal and I got caught, and I fought my way out of a ticket also with the policeman. Which I was like, कैसे बोल सकते हो? जब मैं आ रही थी, it was yellow and you know whatever. And that eventually he just said, okay, just go. You know, and he was fed up of me. Hi guys, I'm Manvi Gagru and you're watching me on IWM Buzz. Please like, follow and subscribe. They're awesome for all the latest news in the showbiz world.